again. Just me and the glass in this empty room with leftover class. Each table tells me what I need to know about the lives that come and go. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell their tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave behind. Lipstick marks, business cards, half-written notes on napkin scarred. I collect these scenes in a quiet way. While others sleep, I slip away. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell their tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave behind. Sometimes I wonder if they see me here, moving through their world, year after year. My reflection bent in crystal and chrome, making peace with being alone. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell the tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave behind. I've been searching for too long for a calm I couldn't find, till I let the water take me, let it ease my restless mind. Deep inside, where the quiet waters rise. Deep inside, that's where peace lies. Deep blue, they wash over me. Deep blue, set my spirit free. In the stillness of my room, feel the tides begin to sway. Every breath becomes an ocean as my troubles float away. Deep inside, where the quiet waters rise. Deep inside, just me here. Something familiar in the ripples, moving slow. Looking down, getting closer, almost there. Think I know the face, but different from before. Surface getting clear, and I was there looking back at me. Think I saw you in the reflection.